Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to talk about how to build a strong mentality to overcome stress. In our fast-paced world, it is more important than ever to develop mental resilience. In an emergency such as a disaster or war, everyone is in a state of panic and unable to act normally. In such a state, we cannot protect our loved ones. It is necessary to keep one's own spirit calm and under control at all times. One interesting concept introduced by Denis Ramirez is the idea of a default mode network. This suggests who can adapt to change and overcome difficulties without being overwhelmed by stress. Denis explains that the human brain has evolved by overcoming stress. So learning how to deal with stress is not just possible, it is part of our nature. The key lies in adapting to new situations and understanding how your brain works. One of the most important parts of the brain for managing stress is the frontal lobe. It helps you interpret situations, control emotions, and manage anger. By training what Denis calls emotional labor, you can learn to handle difficult situations more calmly. And the good news is, this skill can be improved over time. Another important point is learning to distinguish between what you can control and what you cannot. Accepting things that cannot be changed is a powerful way to reduce stress. Denis also introduces the idea of the default mode network. This part of the brain becomes active when you are relaxed or daydreaming. Taking 30 minutes to 3 to 6 hours each day for such activities can refresh your mind and help you come up with new ideas. The brain also follows the law of inertia, meaning people do not change easily. Gradual change is less stressful and more sustainable. Denis gives the example of the silent period in language learning where progress happens without visible results. He also advises not to read the atmosphere too much, as overconforming can be stressful. However, understanding others' perspectives is still important, especially in business. So, the key takeaways are simple. To become mentally strong, keep learning, face challenges, and maintain self-control. If you want to know more about building mental strength and staying calm under pressure, you will definitely want to see the full video. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more helpful videos on mental health and personal growth. And if you are looking for tools or books that can help you on your journey toward better mental health, feel free to check out the link. Your support means a lot and helps us continue making great content.